Good morning, sir. I am Vidya. I am Shanavi from SSICS. Welcome to Campus News of month September and October. Let's get into headlines. Student Council investor a step toward leadership. Gratitude and appreciation Teachers Day celebrate with joy and respect. To association mock tests and sessions has been conducted for our elders. Reinstated and revived Nadagite 100 years celebration. Well done, students completed their exam with dedication. Our students look forward to observe some important events. It empowers students to take on new responsibilities, develop leadership skills, make a new positive impact at school. Students take an oath of pledge to uphold the values and principles in our institution and fulfill their duties. I heartily congratulate all our ministers. Teachers Day is a special occasion to appreciate, honor and hard work to dedication of teachers on this day. At our school, management express gratitude and appreciation. Teachers for tremendous efforts of teachers in shaping students' minds and futures. Our seniors activity performed mock test with reinforced listening, helping students retain information, recall it more effectively. Overall, the mock tests and sessions of grade 10 are valuable tools for students, providing comprehensive assessment of knowledge, improves test-taking abilities. We are very proud to say that our Karnataka state anthem Jai Bharat Janani Tanujate significant milestone this year commemorating 100-year celebration since its conception by renowned Kuvampoo in 1924. Poem was officially adopted as the state anthem on January 6, 2004. As we quietly observe and learn about some events like World War Day, Engineers Day, Hindi Divas, Gandhi Jayanti and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti, World Standard Days of birth anniversary of APJ Abdul Kalam, Valmiki Jayanti and created awareness of Diwali crackers and teacher workshops for teachers, etc. We recently completed our exam marked as significant milestone, hard work and dedication as we move forward for next semester. That's all for today's campus news. Thank you. Keep updated.